Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Today in SST class, we will start a new chapter, communication. What is communication? Communication is the process of sending and receiving messages. Yes, communication is a process of sending and receiving messages. Yes, dear student, communication is a process of sending and receiving messages by speaking, writing or some other way. Some other way, like sometime we used to say this, it means sit down. So कई बार हम इशारों से भी अपनी बात समझाते हैं। इस तरीके से कम्युनिकेशन क्या होता है? कम्युनिकेशन वो साधन है जिसमें हम अपनी बात दूसरों को समझाते हैं, चाहे लिखकर समझाएं, बोलकर समझाएं या इशारों से समझाएं। And beta, in this chapter we will learn about two type of communication: personal communication and mass communication. Personal communication is a communication between two persons, and mass communication is communication between large number of people at the same time. We also study about the various means of communication. Let's start the chapter. Look at this picture. What are they doing? They are talking over a phone. Children, as you know, we all like to keep in touch with our friends and relatives by meeting them as often as possible. But is it is possible? No, it is not always possible to visit them. So how do we stay in touch with other loved ones? We can write letter, make phone calls or send email. Sending or receiving information or messages is called communication. Sending or receiving messages or is called communication. Do you know? Long ago, trained pigeons carried messages from one place to another. Messages were written on the paper and tied to the legs of pigeon. Messages कैसे जाते थे? Messages were written on the paper and tied to the legs of pigeon. These pigeons were known as messenger bird. But this but this means were slow and not reliable. Now we have other fast and easy means of communication. Science has helped the modern world to communicate in better way. Now we use various means of communication like phone, email, internet to communicate with others. Look at these. These are the various means of communication. Here, beta, computer, phone are the means, and mobile phone are the means of personal communication, whereas radio, newspaper, magazines and TV are the means of mass communication. Beta, first of all, we will study about personal communication. Personal communication. Beta, we can do personal communication by using postal service. We can buy postcard, stamps, inland letter, envelope from the post office. Look at this picture. In this picture, you can see postcard. Beta, pop, uh, letter is a most popular means of communication, and we can write letter on postcard. We can also write letter on inland letter, and we can write, sometime we write letter on the paper and put them in a stamp envelope. If our letter is urgent, then we can send through speed post or courier service. Courier service and beta, with the help of courier service and speed post, letter reach within a day or two. बेटा अगर हम स्पीड पोस्ट और कोरियर सर्विस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो हमारा लेटर बहुत जल्दी पहुंच जाता है विद इन 1 or 2 days, बिकॉज दीज आर द फास्ट वे by which we can send our letter or important document from one place to another. These letters are then carried by road, train, air or water transport to different cities and even countries. To reach the letter safely, not forget to write complete address with pin code. Beta, look here, the space. Beta, always write pin code. Pin code is a short form of postal index number. If a message is urgent, then we can send a telegram also, as it reaches very soon. The invention of telegraph in the year 1837 enabled messages to be sent instantly. Instantly matlab एकदम over great distance. बेटा टेलीग्राम सर्विस की स्टार्टिंग हुई 1837 में, और इसका क्या बेनिफिट हुआ, इससे हम अपना मैसेज दूसरों तक बहुत जल्दी पहुंचा सकते थे. सो अगर हम टेलीग्राफ सर्विस का इस्तेमाल करके मैसेज जल्दी से पहुंचाते थे तो वो क्या कहलाता था, टेलीग्राम. Telegrams were usually used to send urgent messages, but with the invention of telephone, now we send a voice message, we can send typed message. So the importance of the telegraph reduced. Reduced means kam ho gayi hai. So in India, the last telegraph was sent in July 2013 के बाद किसी ने टेलीग्राम सेंड नहीं किया, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर यूजिंग phones to send messages. Look at this picture. All of you know that a telephone is the fastest means of communication. You can call up a friend living in the same country, in some other country, or even in some other city. Mobile phone. Dear student, mobile phone have made communication very easy and fast. With the help of mobile phone, we can talk even when we are traveling. And nowadays, beta, we are studying with the help of mobile phone. You are joining your classes with the help of smartphone. So, mobile phone play very important role during this pandemic year. बेटा इस कोरोना पेंडेमिक में तो मोबाइल फोन ने हमारी लाइफ को टोटली बदल दिया है। आजकल हमने अपना सब काम ऑनलाइन करना शुरू कर दिया है। किसकी हेल्प से? मोबाइल की हेल्प से। एंड ये सब कुछ किसकी वजह से पॉसिबल हुआ है? ड्यू टू द कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम। लुक एट दिस। This is the picture of fax machine. Fax machine is connected to a telephone line. Always remember, fax machine is connected to a telephone line. It is used to send written messages, documents and photograph to someone instantly. With the help of fax machine, we can send our document or photograph to someone instantly. एकदम भेज सकते हैं. Now we will talk about mass communication. Beta, communication with large number of people at the same time is called mass communication. Newspaper, TV, radio, magazines are means of mass communication. The television has become the most important mean of mass communication in our country because it entertain people of all age group. Entertain means ये हर तरह के लोगों का मनोरंजन करता है. It covers political news, sports news, movie, music, cartoon, pictures, etc. जैसे आपके पापा न्यूज सुनते होंगे, आप कार्टून देखते हो, दादी माँ भजन सुनते होंगे. So बेटा, that's why it is the most popular mean of mass communication because it entertain people of all age group. And secondly, it is audio visual aid. Audio visual aid means हम इसको सुन भी सकते हैं और हम इसको देख भी सकते हैं. Next is internet and email. Nowadays, the most popular way to send a message is through email. It is a new system of sending and receiving messages with the help of a computer and internet. To send an email, it is necessary that we have internet connection or we have a computer, tab or mobile phone. But with our smartphone or with the help of tablet, we can also send email. The message reaches anywhere in the world. और जो मैसेज है वो कहीं पर भी दुनिया में पहुंच जाता है. Satellite. Satellites are electronic devices that are sent into the space. They collect information. Satellites have made communication faster and easier. Satellites have made communication faster and easier. Satellite pick up signals from one place and send them to different parts of the world. That's why we are able to watch live telecast of various programs like especially cricket matches or any award function. Next is e-reader. E-reader is a small gadget on which one can read book. E-reader is a smart gadget on which one can read book. In this, we have to download books from internet. Then put it on your e-reader and then we can easily read books. Beta, conclusion. Beta, these means of communication have brought the world closer and have reduced the distance. बेटा अब हमें कोई हमारा रिलेटिव फॉरेन कंट्री में भी रहता है तो हमें दूर नहीं लगता. द रीजन इज दैट हम उसके साथ कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं, हम उसके साथ कभी भी बातचीत कर सकते हैं, हम वीडियो कॉल कर सकते हैं. सो बेटा कम्युनिकेशन have reduced distance. We can instantly communicate with anyone living anywhere in the world. And now we cannot imagine our life without means of communication. Thank you and have a nice day.